Hello everyone, I'm Somin Das from the Finbingo team. Today I have with me Mr. Ajay Shah, who is an expert in insurance and mutual funds here in Finbingo.
Hello everyone.
Hi Ajay. In today's episode, we would discuss insurance. So Ajay, let's start.
Yes, please.
So Ajay, how does the whole insurance process work?
Hmm. Before answering that, Somin, can you let me know your understanding for insurance?
Sure. Insurance is where I pay regular installments for certain years to get a lump sum money later.
Yes, you are right, but partially. Here, you are considering insurance as a pure investment product. But in the real terms, insurance is a product that is used to protect you and your loved ones against uncertain events and not for lump sum benefit or wealth creation. In simple terms, insurance is an agreement that transfers your risk of financial loss due to health, life, and other money based damages to an insurance company. Hence, insurance companies collect small amount of money from you and other policyholders in the form of premiums.
Okay. So what are the types of life insurance?
Broadly speaking, life insurance can be categorized as one pure risk cover insurance plans and insurance cum investment plans. First, we can discuss on purely just insurance. Here we can take example of basic term insurance plans which only covers your risk and others which are a combination of insurance and investment components. For example, ULIP or money back policies. These ULIPs and traditional plans are very popular in India and most people have invested their hard-earned money in these products.
Okay. But Ajay, you mentioned basic term insurance plan. Can you explain what it is?
Sure, Saman. A term insurance is the most simplest form of insurance. They are easy to understand and most affordable to buy. For instance, if you take term insurance cover for rupees 1 crore today, your premium will range around between 10k to 30k, but in case of ULIP, it may even go to lakhs. As it's a pure insurance, your nominee and family members will get financial support through that benefit if claimed within the policy term. There will be no lump sum money paid to you on maturity. Hence, a term insurance provides death risk cover for a specific period. This death risk cover and specific period is predetermined when you buy the policy. It is pure risk cover plan that offers high coverage at very low premiums.
So Ajay, is my perception of insurance as an investment wrong?
Yes, Soman. We all understand insurance as tax saving instrument or an investment tool. But mixing insurance and investment is something we should all avoid. Understanding insurance as an investment leads to buying an expensive product. We must see insurance as an expense and not as investment. Understanding insurance as an investment or mixing insurance and investment is not a wise decision. A term life insurance plan with a pure investment product like mutual fund can be a better option, which is even simple to understand than a combo insurance plan like ULIP. You may also save a high premium and may also generate wealth in long term.
Okay. Do we also have the option to pay premiums monthly?
Yes, Somin, you can pay your premiums monthly for all the life insurance products, but you need to be careful and need to inform that you need at the time of buying insurance policies. But it always advised to go for an annual premium payments or at least half yearly as it saves on cost. To explain this, take example of Netflix subscriptions. In annual subscription plans, you always pay less and save more than the total amount you pay for the monthly subscription. Same goes for the insurance premium.
Okay, understood. Well, this was a very informative session, Ajay. Thank you everyone for listening. To know more in detail about life insurance, you may visit our website, our blogs. Links are provided in the description. In the next podcast, we will discuss a few more queries on life insurance. Till then, please subscribe to our channel. And in case if you have any questions, please comment below. Thank you.